It's literally no secret that venture capitalist funding has become more challenging. People say funds are sitting on the sidelines, hesitant to invest. So the question is, where are the funds? Well, the answer is very simple. Venture capitalists are shifting their focus away from layer 2 established protocols to the new growing sectors. One of the most popular ones are being real world assets. So what should we do? Well, we should clearly search out the best RWA project that's currently out there and jump straight into buying it before the VCs come start rolling in and pumping the project to the moon. So I think I found the best match for this right now, which is currently scoring through the markets. I mean, the project is amazing and I want to show you what I'm talking about. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. Rediscovery of your world. Today we'll be covering daGama, and daGama is a RWA platform that leverages blockchain and AI technology to offer a unique experience with authentic content, restoring trust and recommendations. First of all, what I want to mention is that it's verified and audited by Certic, one of the best audit companies that are out there. Their audit costs a lot, but the price is worth the money because they scan your project from A to Z. You can find all of the details right here. The project is safe and Certic assured us of that. It's also powered by Arbitrum, but with that out of the way, let's get to know what daGama is all about. Also, we have their socials linked right here immediately. So if any point of the video you have any questions that you want answered, make sure to go ahead and join their socials, give them a follow, join their groups, join their Telegram, join their Discord, and just drop the question right there because I'm sure you'll get it answered immediately. The community is very active as well as is the team. Also, we are greeted with a very lucrative Sealy campaign, which offers us a prize pool of 1000 USDT, which we'll see later, but let's get to know what daGama is all about. So first things first, daGama literally has its own app. The app offers the best recommended places to visit, find hidden gems on the community's generated map. Our post and earn mechanism incentivizes community engagement, allowing participants to share their experiences and earn daGama token for honest recommendations selected by community and verified by the algorithm. So more about the app. Let's go ahead and give this a look. It's basically an app which literally generates a map and tourist routes. So it enables users to add new locations to the map, leave recommendations after visiting, and earn rewards for their contribution. So of course the engagement is incentivized by earning daGama. Also, the app is driven by AI and anti-fake systems. But if you want to learn more about this, just make sure to pause the video at any point of the way and read more details about it. But TDRL is basically an app that allows you to discover hidden gems, a place that recommended by a friend that turned out to be amazing. What if there was an app full of discoveries? Imagine a platform that curates recommendations with only genuine finds, leaving no room for fakes. Even better, anyone can contribute, earn rewards for sharing their experience and uncovering new gems. So basically, user adds their favorite locations to the map, security system protects against fraud, then user rates establishments, a search field based on users' mood and preference, and users see places matching their mood. So it's literally an app that lets you discover awesome places around the world, and if you post any of those places, you can earn rewards for it, which is really nice. daGama is also a utility token with a fixed supply that powers the daGama ecosystem. It is used to pay for services, unlock additional features, and earn rewards within the ecosystem. Here you can see that token fuels your experience, create content, access premium tools, subscribe to services, promote your businesses, and more. We have the white paper here, pitch deck here, roadmap here, one pager here, tokenomics here, ecosystem here. Make sure if you're interested in knowing more about the project to go ahead and press the first link in the description. Scroll down here, read their white paper, read their pitch deck, just go deep diving into the whole ecosystem, because if you don't, you won't understand what the project is all about. You need to do your own research and learn every detail. We believe that they can create a world where companies are distinguished not only by their marketing but also by their quality of their services and products. Let's say no to high marketing budgets, let's say yes to high quality services. I mean, the point is awesome, and I see that they're doing this right here with their own app, where it's a user-based app and people are just posting their hidden gems and people are just posting their awesome locations around the world, which get incentivized and they are getting rewarded for that. daGama team is also right here. They are fully KYC'd, and you can even apply at careers at daGama if you want to. advisors are listed right here: Skyway, Ambassador Gold, and Laya Halper. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correct, but speaker on CNN and Fox Business. Influencers with over 1.5 million followers. I mean, look at what people are on this project already. It's amazing. Join their activities, their partners, very well-known brands. Dive into daGama with the CEO. Again, we have some articles, we have some videos featuring daGama where we can even learn more information about them if we want to. Here we can see also the product. Again, going back to their app, I mean, the whole project is around the app, so if you're interested in it, you should definitely go ahead and learn more about it. But the roadmap is listed right here, which we can take a look at. Currently we are on Q4, so their plans right now is for the loyalty program, multi-chain expansion, at Vasco integration. Q1 next task is going to be the daGama token launching virtual events in the business panel, and AI Vasco user assistance. So they're also going to be launching the daGama token, which is going to be huge in my own opinion, because look at what utility they are providing, especially when it meets the criteria of the current VC investors, correct? I think you should definitely keep an eye on the launch as intended, and it's very soon, and it's not that far away. Also, we can read about their problem and solution pitch. Many businesses manipulate reviews, ratings, and mislead consumers, eroding trust and online feedback. This results in exaggerated claims and disappointing experiences, undermining genuine companies that prioritize quality over deceptive marketing. We envision an app where everyone can easily share their discoveries and quality recommendations. With daGama, users can quickly find the perfect place that matches their interests and preferences while earning rewards for their contribution. So I mean, I get their point. Many reviews online are fake. I mean, you can expect a 5-star hotel to be turning out trash, filled with rats, bugs, insects, being a very cold place, etc. But with this app, this can't be fake because it's all powered by AI. And if you are looking at Google reviews, for example, they can be manipulated very easily for a very low cost. So this rounds up daGama as the whole project. I mean, their mobile app is insane, their utility is insane, and with the upcoming token launch, I'm sure that this project is going to be doing numbers. If you're interested in this so far, make sure to go ahead and read their white paper, join their socials, and make sure to follow them on those socials. Again, you don't want to be missing the token launch, because in my opinion this is going to be huge, and I think that if you are a tourist, if you like to travel, you should definitely even use this app, even if you're not looking for the extra benefit of earning some money, just because this literally helps you out to find genuine and organic places that are well rated. So with this out of the way, thank you for tuning in, and I will want videos, and I'll make sure to catch you in the next one.